Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ankush. Today we will create start and end date with parameter. Suppose there is a scenario like if somebody asks, can you please create a chart? Chart could be anything, line chart, bar chart. Okay. And there is a one date and the option is you need to create start date and end date. You need to control your chart using start date and end date, and you have only for the one date available in the data set. Okay, so how you can create this, how can you separate start date and end date? You can give using the parameter to give you option to end user. He or she can control the chart using the start date and end date. Okay, I will show you how can we create this. I've already created this. Okay, so if you see, I've selected the October 1st, which is my start date, and end date will be by the 4th. End date will be by default up to date. Okay, and if I select September 1, it will apply the filter and the chart will affect it to September 1 to 5 October. So this is kind of functionality you can give the end user to control the chart. As per the selection, he can play around with this date. Whatever they want, they can select any of the date. So let's see how can we create this kind of functionality in Tableau using parameter. Okay, I just don't want to the 4 days sales. So you can see, you can also give the title, what is the date selected. You can see this 1110 to the 2410 2023. Okay, so I'm creating a new sheet. As I said, I'm using the sample superstore data, and sample superstore data only order date is available, one date is available. You need to create the start date and end date. So first you need to create a chart, order date, right click order date, drag it in column and select day of order date, sales. So it will give me the line chart. Okay, then second step will be create a parameter, start date, data type will be your date, and you can select 9. Okay, so my start date will be 9th 2023. You need to create the second calculation, not the calculus, the parameter, which is end date. Data type will be your date as well as. So I'm taking the latest date, which is 4. So I have created the 2 parameter, and I just wanted to show parameter. Start date is my 4 and end date also my 4, but month is different. This is 9 and this is 10. And the final, the last step will be you need to combine this parameter in one calculation. So I'm saying date filter, order date, start date, and order date should be less than equal to my date. So this give me the true or false. Okay, let's apply. So as you know that I will show you 4th of October I've selected and 4th of October. So let me select. Let me see it is working or not. So I've selected October 1st. So chart will update it as per the date selection. and especially I wanted to see the July month sales. You can see everything is working fine. So how this is the way you can control your chart using the started and ended parameter. This is the very good functionality the many of the stakeholders want. Can you please create the date where you can give us the option where started and date can be the option where we can usually play around with the date. Any date any date whatever looking, we can select that. Many of the student or many of the Tableau developer, they give you the order date, the range like this. Range of dates. So filter. So for the like most of the stakeholders, they don't want this functionality. They want it to like this kind of calendar things. Although calendar is also showing there, but they don't want this Tableau functionality. They wanted to custom things. I remember one of the stakeholder, I was working on that. So we have give this option, the order date. It's already in a Tableau, but especially they have denied the big no for this. They wanted to custom things like I did for the started and date, and we give this option. They were very happy about this. They are also looking for this kind of things. So this is how we can create the date started and ended with filter with parameters. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.